In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent the title row from scrolling in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet you want to work with. This is especially useful when you're dealing with a large spreadsheet and need to scroll through a lot of data without losing sight of your column headings. When you work with long worksheets, the title row, also called the header row, can easily disappear as you scroll down. That can make it harder to remember what each column represents. For example, you might have columns for employee ID, employee name, department, and salary. Once the top row scrolls out of view, it becomes much more difficult to read the information below it quickly and accurately. That's why Excel's Freeze Panes feature is so helpful. It allows you to keep important rows visible while moving through the rest of your data. If your headers are in the very first row, the quickest method is to freeze the top row. To do that, go to the View tab in Excel. In the Freeze Panes menu, click Freeze Top Row. As soon as you do that, row 1 will stay visible while you scroll down through the worksheet. This is the easiest option when your spreadsheet has a simple layout and all of your labels are in the top row. If your worksheet uses more than one row for headers, there's another method you should use. For example, if your title area includes both row 1 and row 2, you'll want to freeze multiple rows instead of only the first one. To do that, click the row directly below your headers. So in this example, you would click row 3. After selecting that row, go to the View tab, choose Freeze Panes, and then click Freeze Panes again from the drop-down menu. Excel will freeze everything above the row you selected, which means rows 1 and 2 will remain visible while you scroll. This is a great technique for reports, dashboards, and detailed tables where the header section contains grouped labels or extra formatting. Just remember that Excel freezes the rows above your selection, so choosing the correct row is important. Once applied, you can scroll through your worksheet more comfortably while keeping your labels in view. That makes your data easier to read, compare, and manage. And that's how to prevent the title row from scrolling in Excel.